Assalamu alaikum, 9th class children. How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. Today is 10th December 2020. How are you all doing your exams? Sense organs. We already started 2 days back, right? We were dealing with the eye, the important sense. Last class, eyes, nose, tongue, ear, and skin, isn't it? Today, we'll continue this a little bit. The three layers of the eye, now we'll see, go through it. These layers lie flat against each other and form the eyeball. The outer layer of the eyeball is tough, white, opaque membrane called sclera, SCLERA, the white of the eye. The middle layer is the choroid. The inner layer is the retina, which lines the back two-thirds of the eyeball, cornea, sclera, choroid, and cornea. Now we'll discuss first about cornea. Cornea helps the eye focus as light makes its way through. It is a very important part of the eye, but you can hardly see it because it's made of clear tissue. Like clear glass, the cornea gives your eye a clear window to view the world through. When the light hits the retina, a light sensitive layer of the tissue at the back of the eye, special cells called photoreceptors turn the light into electrical signals. These electrical signals travel from the retina through the optic nerve important when light hits the retina, a light sensitive layer of tissue at the back of the brain. Understood? Special tissues are there, which photoreceptors, which turn the light into electrical signals. These electrical signals travel from the retina through the optic nerve to the brain. Got it? Then the brain turns the signal into the images you see. Human eye and the brain together translate light into color. It's not that only eye is seeing, eye is passing the message to the brain, understood? By the nerves. Light receptors within the eye transmit messages to the brain, which produces the familiar sensation of color. Got it, children? Newton observed that color is not inherent in the objects. Rather, the surface of an object reflects some colors and absorb all the others. Now, understood? Important part of the eye, important coordination of eye and the brain here. When you look at a person's eye, you can see parts from each of the first two layers. The white of the eye is sclera, sclera. The white part of the eye is sclera. The front transparent part is the cornea. Got it? The iris is the colored part. The pupil is a dark hole in the center. The most sensitive part lacrimal caruncle or caruncula lacrimis is a small pink globular nodule at the inner cornea. You cannot see it. It is inside the part of the eye. It is made of skin covering sebaceous and sweat glands. Even in the eye, sweat glands are this. Notice that. Based on the curve of the earth, standing on the flat surface with your eyes about 5 feet from the ground, the farthest edge that you see is about 3 miles away. You can see with your eyes. While babies, what happened? Their eyes are still developed. They are born with developed eyes, isn't it? But it takes up to 2 years for the eyesight to fully develop. Eyes grow rapidly after birth and again during puberty until age 20 to 21. Eyes keep growing. When they stop growing in size, eyes continue to increase in weight and undergo age-related changes. Understood? The old people, they are not able to see properly, vision, cataract, everything one by one, eye deficiencies, diseases. There are lots of reasons somehow someone can have blue whites. Anyway, that results in the whitening of the sclera for a cause. For example, some medication like steroids can produce blue sclera. Not having enough iron in your eyes, you become anemic. And aging have also been shown to give a blue tint to the white of the it happens in the eyes, chemicals, perfumes, or getting tiny particles stuck in one's peepers. Allergens in the air or in your house, such as pet denders, some eyelid problem. The choroid supplies the outer retina with nutrients and maintains the temperature and volume of the eye. The choroidal circulation, which accounts for 85% of the total blood flow in the eye, is a high flow system with relatively low oxygen content. The lens is located in the eye. Understood? Lens is present in our eyes, isn't it? By that only we are able to see. By changing its shape, the lens changes the focal distance of the eye. In other words, it focuses the light rays that pass through it and onto the retina in order to create clear images of the objects that are positioned at various distances. The lens is made of transparent proteins called crystallines. Understood? Lens has proteins to see. The average concentration of this lens protein is about twice than that of the intracellular proteins and is thought to play a structural role in the lens. No, the eye cannot focus properly without a lens. Very important lens are, isn't it? For old people, what happens? Some cataract, some deficiencies, some operation, laser happens. The lens is fit. Lens is changed. It is fit on this eyeball, black eyeball, which we can see in our eyes. Thick eyeglasses. Even small children are getting nowadays glasses, numbers, and contact lenses, isn't it? Thick eyeglasses and a contact lens or an intraocular lens must be substituted to restore the eye's focusing power. See the diagram of it. Ciliary muscles are important. Retina, optic nerve, iris, pupil, and cornea with aqueous humor and crystalline lens. An intraocular lens is implant in an artificial, just as I said, artificial